Hey guys, welcome back to my another video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to backup your all WhatsApp chats and also how you can restore these all chats from the Google Drive. Okay, so before that, if you still not subscribe to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button of this video. So let's get started. First of all, open your WhatsApp application. Now from here click on the three dots from the top right corner. Then go to the settings. Now from here go to the chats. Then scroll down and here below you will find chat backup. So just tap on it. Once you open the chat backup option, from here click on Google account and choose your Gmail account in which account you want to backup your data. Okay. After select your account, click on the continue. That's it, your Gmail account is selected. From the frequency, just select time. It's when you want to set automatic upload for the backup data. From here you can choose daily or you can choose weekly and monthly. If you want to backup your chats also with videos, then from here enable include videos option. And if you want to backup with the mobile data, then also turn on this option. Now above the screen you can see backup button. Just tap on it for instant backup. Okay. As I have not any long chat or messages, that's why backup file is small. You can see my backup file is uploaded. Now let me show you how you can restore your messages. When you uninstall the WhatsApp and again install it, that time you will receive a message like this, restore a backup. So here click on continue and allow the all permission. After that here below click on the restore. As you can see my messages are restored. So just click on the next and type here your name, click on next. Finally, as you can see, my all messages are restored. That's the way how you can backup and restore your message. So friend, if you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get more these types of important videos. Thanks for watching this video.